Do you have any damaged siding pieces like this? Look at that. That's ugly. The vinyl siding corner piece gets lopped off by lawnmowers, weed whackers, all that kind of problem. Now, if you call a contractor, believe it or not, for them to come out here and do this project, it's hundreds of dollars. You don't need that. Yes, you can do this yourself for a fraction of the cost. This is a new vinyl siding corner piece. I did not pay hundreds of dollars for this. I paid less than $20 for this. That's right. They come in 10-foot lengths at my home improvement store for less than $20. Now, one of the intimidation factors by replacing the outside corner piece is the way they're nailed. They're nailed first to the structure and the siding goes over that into the J channel. So the problem with that is you do have to remove the siding to get to it and to put the new one in. Some people will be intimidated by that. I'm going to show you it's pretty easy. You can definitely do it yourself. So to start, we do need to remove the siding, not all the way off. We're just going to leave it loose and let it flap so we can have access to the corner piece. Now you can buy that fancy siding removal tool. I'll put the link in the video description. But honestly, you don't need it. You can just use your fingers. So once you get it started, it'll reveal the nail from the previous siding piece, and you're just going to remove that with a hammer. And then just keep working on down. So once you have the nail out, you can push down and it should pop it from the previous course. And then just keep unfolding the siding. So it's nail removal, pop the siding down, and just keep going. Down. Old bird nesting material. When you hang siding, you don't want the nails overly tight. It'll cause the siding to warp and bend. So you're supposed to have a little gap there. This one went way too tight. Okay, now that we have the siding freed up, we're going to look for the nails that are holding on this corner piece. And that's the next thing to remove, is the damaged corner piece itself. One way down there. Okay. Okay, the siding corner piece is 50% removed. By peeling the corner piece back, I can see all the fasteners and I can remove it a little bit quicker than the first time. All right, so we have the damaged one and the new one. We believe this is the original factory edge that we wanted. That's the original length. So all this material is damaged. So we're going to transfer that to the new piece. Now I'm cutting this with tin snips. I'll put a tool in the video description. I've seen guys use utility knives. I like tin snips. If you haven't seen them before, they're like high quality scissors. They're very strong. In fact, they work for metal as well. Okay, on this very hot summer day, we got the first corner piece side tucked in for you on the back side. Now all these loose siding pieces will snap into place. Pull them all to the front. You don't want to snap it in yet because you still want to get a few nails in there. By the way, I'm securing all the siding and trim with 1.5-inch roofing nails. They have the fat head that you want to hold vinyl siding. It's the right depth for most projects, 1.5 inch. Oh, there you are. Hey, now with the new corner piece back in place like we like it, we're going to start snapping in all the siding pieces. Now siding is pretty flexible, so you can kind of bend it to shorten it and then get it to snap right back in that J channel. And then snap them up. And you want to get the same height as you had before. If your courses are dramatically off, they won't interlock like they should. Now remember, on the siding, don't go tight like we did on some of the trim over here in the corner. Leave that little gap for expansion and contraction. And then just slide up the next piece, snap it into place. So I just realized as we're snapping this in and nailing them on, I need 4 hands. So definitely having an assistant to hold back the previous course of siding while you nail it in securely and just keep snapping your way and nailing all the way up. So extra helper on this one helps a lot. When you're doing your roofing nail, if you hold it like that and you miss and you pound your fingernail, that's not a good day. So hold your roofing nails like this with the palm of your hand facing. If you accidentally miss like this, it doesn't hurt near as bad. The last one here has a piece of what's called utility trim under that J channel. That holds it so you can't do a less fastener up there at the top. All right, go ahead and check out the new corner trim. Hey guys, I'm proud of you. You did this job yourself. You replaced vinyl siding corner piece, outside corner piece. You did it yourself for about 20 bucks. A little bit of your time, but it was well worth it. You saved hundreds of dollars over a contractor fee. Hey, I know you can do this yourself.